So we're going to write the equation for the function graph below, and we can tell that's a quadratic. And we could write this in standard form here, which would be y equals, or vertex form, y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. And it's probably going to be the easiest like this, since we don't have to expand it and put it in y equals ax squared plus bx plus c form. This will just be easier. So the first thing we want to do is identify the vertex, which is, in this case, the lowest point, and that's going to be the point 2 comma negative 3. And remember that this goes in the form of h comma k. So now we can put the h and k values in. We have a negative 2 there for the h, and a negative 3 for the k. And now we just got to figure out what the value of a is. And what we want to do is pick out a coordinate point where it goes through one of these little squares right here where it's obvious and not guessing like is it a half or a quarter or something like that. And it looks like it goes through really nicely right here at the point 4 comma 1. So that's just an x, y. So I'm going to put that into my x and y respectively. So I'm going to have 1 equals a parentheses 4 minus 2 squared minus 3. And now it's just an algebra problem. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. Add 3 to both sides. It gives us 4 equals a times 4. And then, of course, we would divide by 4, and a equals 1. And since a equals 1, we don't have to write it in there, but I'm going to, just for good measure, that y equals 1 times x minus 2 squared minus 3. If you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.